We are team 5, and our problem statement is subscription management system, and we have made the application name sub SMS, and here's the user interface which has these are the features that has on the user interface. From here, if he goes to shop apps, then if he selects from like Canva here and adds to bundle, and then select Spotify and also adds this to bundle and goes to review in cart, review the bundle, and add Disney Plus Hotstar and Amazon Music. And if he moves it to cart, here he comes to the billing part, proceed to checkout. Here, if he has to fill all the details, and if he continues to pay, uses demo credential card's credential, and then payment has been paid. Continue to dashboard. Then here we have his invoice from here, which he can directly access his invoice from here, which shows all the start date, end date, payment, and stuff. From here, he can open the open invoice. Then from bundle, here he can select all the bundles which he needs right now. Energetic, Medipack, IC. Then he can select whatever the packages or a bundle he needs, and from dashboard he can see all his what are the active subscription, total invoices, and all stuff. He can then comes our internal. So in a internal portal or an internal user, he gets the access from admin. He adds and gives access to the internal users, and that which is too limited. From here on dashboard of here, he can see all the active subscription, revenue made, outstanding, the payment which is being due, and what are the overdue payments that are here. Then here comes the chart and billing period, subscription status, and all stuff. Then comes the contact. What are the login details? Who has a login? How many of them are here and stuff. Then what are the products we are giving? Here he can see all the products that we have on our website. Then plans, recurring plans. What are the recurring plans that are available? Then comes subscription. Or what are who has subscribed? What's the plan status and all? Then comes the payment, invoices. Who has how much paid, due date, and stuff. We can directly access the invoices from here. Then we have payment. Who has paid from what are the if he has paid from Stripe or cash or bank transfer, credit card, etc. Here he can see all the stuff and report. From here he has total 136 contacts, 98 subscription, total invoices, payment collected, so revenue collected, outstanding, and total payment and stuff. Now we are going to see the admin portal. He has a full access of our web application from which he can see all the stuff which a internal user can also see, but he has more access to all. He can create, edit, update everything. Admin panel can do everything. So here he can see all the revenue overview, plan distribution, what are the plans that has been distributed, yearly, monthly, billing period, subscription status, and recent activity. Then comes the services, like how many services that we are providing. We can also create new service. If I create on new services, then we can add all the features and click on the create services, and it creates the services. Then comes bundle, active bundle. What are the active bundle that we are providing to the customers? Then contacts, like how many of them have no, matlab, what are the internal users that has logged in or a user has logged in, it shows here. And come subscriptions. Who has subscribed and how are the state, what's the status of their plan and all. From here, he can add new subscription and stuff. Let me show you. So here you can create new subscription and save it as a draft. Then we have quotations. Quotations, it shows like what's the pre-confirmation pipeline, and we can also add new quotation. Then invoices. From here, he can see the what's the invoices, and if he can also directly operate it from here, invoices. Then comes the payment, like how's the payment, how the payment has been done. It can be credit card and stuff. And then comes the discount, like we have given the discount like 50% off on any of the product, and he can also add the new discounts. That was our product. Thank you, judges.